Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Windows 11 virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Microsoft Azure account, sufficient Azure credits, and a basic understanding of Azure services. Open your web browser and navigate to Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Log in with your Azure account credentials. On the dashboard, click Virtual Machines. Click Create Azure Virtual Machine. Here you can fill in basic details like select subscription, type in virtual machine name, select or create a resource group. Then you need to select Windows 11, and as the error message says, the option is available only in zone 3, so we have to select zone 3. And then I'm looking for a VM with minimum 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I've selected that. Here you can type in your username and the password that you will use to log in to the virtual machine. We will leave everything as is and click Review and Create. This will run some validations in the background. In most cases, for simple scenarios, you don't need to make any changes in other tabs, but if you want to do some advanced configuration, you can always go to the other tabs and select appropriate options. Once you see this validation pass message, you can click Create, which will actually start creating your virtual machine. This will take a few minutes, and once completed, you will be notified and you can click on Go to Resource. Click Connect and download the RDP file and open it. Enter the username and password you configured earlier, and you will be connected to your Windows 11 virtual machine. That's it. You have successfully created a Windows 11 virtual machine, and you can start using it as you would a physical Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.